Hey, Faraday friends, let's not waste any time. Here's the latest fiery action against suspected illegal market manipulation targeting Faraday futures stock. FF has identified what it believes to be an organized illegal market manipulation campaign. Specifically, it's pointed to Hua Qizin and their group, accusing them of spreading false statements, fabricating rumors, and making defamatory claims to mislead investors. In FF's determination to fight back, it's gathered evidence, communicated with relevant parties, and is preparing to initiate legal action in both the U.S. and China. It also plans to submit materials to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. FF's goal is to ensure that it operates in a fair, compliant market and that its stock price reflects its actual performance and value. Which is why FF has called for leads and evidence from anyone with information on potential illegal short selling or related misconduct. In its newly launched robotics business, the main highlight as of late was the delivery of 2 FF Master robots and the pre-delivery of 2 FX Aegis units. These deliveries expand FF's robotics applications within its 633 Industry Applications Framework, targeting 2 new scenarios: family learning companions and high-end estate security. FF noted that it is close to reaching its initial goal of delivering 20 units in the first month, provided the Aegis robots achieve FCC compliance. It also held a delivery event with its EAI ecosystem partner, 6677 Auto, where the robots were deployed for family education purposes. Another pre-delivery took place with Pinnacle, a real estate brokerage in Los Angeles, where the Aegis robots will be used for property security and client reception. FF continues to push forward with its embodied AI (EAI) strategy. One key technical milestone in the past week was the integration of OpenClaw into the agent layer of FF's EAI brain system. This new addition is meant to enhance the robot's generalization ability, allowing for easier adaptation to new use cases without requiring extensive reprogramming. OpenClaw offers a modular approach to task management, enabling users to assign tasks remotely via instant messaging tools and empowering them to develop their own EAI skills through a no-code platform. This addition lowers the barrier to entry for developers, enabling faster skill development and deployment, which should enhance the growth of the broader ecosystem. Another move FF is making is a literal one. It will be relocating its headquarters to El Segundo, California, in the Silicon Beach area of Los Angeles. This move, scheduled for later this month, marks the first relocation of FF's headquarters in its 12-year history. Silicon Beach has become a hotbed for technology companies, particularly those focused on AI, and FF sees the location as crucial for attracting top talent, fostering innovation, and advancing its EAI strategy. It believes this move will support both its short-term goals and long-term vision for growth in the AI and robotics sectors. Once the relocation is complete, FF plans to give a tour of its new headquarters. That'd be a great opportunity to show off their robots being interactive with guests, don't you think? Another tour to take is a tour of the platform, TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free. Link in the description and pinned comment.